Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to build a simple block rocket. First, let's gather our materials. You will need a variety of building blocks, including some flat plates and taller bricks. Make sure to have one large base plate, approximately 8 by 8 studs, for a stable foundation. Also, find a cone-shaped block for the top and 4 small wedge blocks for the fins. This easy method uses common pieces you likely already own. Now, let's begin constructing the rocket's base. Start by placing your large base plate on a flat surface. Then, attach 4 2x2 or 2x4 bricks firmly to the center. Build up a solid, square foundation using 3 to 4 layers of bricks. This sturdy base, about 4 by 4 studs wide, will provide excellent stability for your rocket. Next, we will build the main body of your rocket. Continue stacking various colored bricks upwards from your base. You can use a mix of 2x4 and 2x6 bricks to create a visually appealing and tall structure, reaching about 10 to 12 bricks high. Now, attach your 4 wedge-shaped blocks evenly around the lower body to form the fins. These fins, placed about 2 bricks up, help stabilize your rocket. Finally, let's complete your amazing block rocket. Take your chosen cone-shaped or sloped block and firmly place it on top of the rocket's main body. Ensure it is perfectly centered for that classic rocket appearance. You can add small decorative pieces, like 1x1 round plates, to personalize your creation. Your easy-to-build block rocket, standing approximately 15 bricks tall, is now ready for launch into imaginative adventures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.